of mixed fraction. Okay, so now the question, let's understand with the help of an question. It is subtract 3 right 1 by 4 from 5 right 3 by 8. Okay, so what we are going to do, student, firstly we are going to convert these fractions, these mixed fractions, into an improper fractions. Okay, so this is 8 times is 5 is 40, and 40 and 3 is 43 by 8. So whatever number or whatever fraction has been written after the from, you will write it first. Okay, you will write 43 by 8 first. Okay, whatever fraction has been written after the from, you should write it first, and then we'll simplify the first fraction, which is 3 right 1 by 4, which is 4 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So that will become 13 divided by 4 beta. Okay, so now we need to subtract these two fractions. Okay, we need to subtract these two fractions. Obviously, the LCM of 8 and 4 is 8 only. Okay, so
Seven.
obviously the LCM is going to be 8 only. Okay, so now here we are already having 8 in the denominator. So here we need to create 8 in the denominator. So by what number we will be multiplying?
Sir,
Tell me.
one, two.
Sir,
Two.
2.
No
Two.
scoring.
And here, in the second number 2 and first number 1.
No need to multiply one. No, it's already 8. Okay,
Okay.
there will not be any change. Okay, if we'll multiply one as well. Okay, so it will be 43 divided by 8 minus, this will become 13 times 2 is 26. 26 divided by 8. So now it's easy now beta, because these are the like fractions, so we can subtract the numerators directly. So 43 minus 26 is how much? It's 17. 17 divided by 8 will give us the final answer. And I have already told you, whenever you are getting an answer in the form of an improper fractions, you will convert it back to an mixed fractions. So 17 doesn't come in the table of 8, so 8 times 2 is 16, but we need 17, we got 16. So 1 will be the leftover, that will become your numerator, and the same 8, which is the divisor, will become the denominator. So 2 right 1 by 8 will be the correct answer. Is there any doubt in this case? Yes,
No, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, great.
No, sir.
No.
Okay, great. Now let's move ahead. So now the next topic is subtraction of mixed fraction from proper fraction. We are going to subtract a mixed fraction from a proper fraction. Let's see with the help of an example. So we are having a question like this: subtract 2 by 5 from 3 by 3 right 1 by 4. First of all, let's simplify this. Okay. Yes, and is anyone is saying something?
Sir, can you show the previous slide? I want to take a screenshot of it.
Okay, let me just show it. This one, this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Have you done it?
Yes, sir, I'm done.
Okay, great. So now, again, whatever number is written after the
Sir,
from, you should write
35.
it first. You should write it first. Okay. So now it will be 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 plus 1 is 13. So it will be 13 by 4. And the second fraction is 2 by 5, which we will write as it is. Okay. And we need to subtract. What is the LCM of 4 and 5, beta? Fast, tell me. LCM of 4 and 5.
Sir, 20.
Sir, yes.
We
Sir,
have studied
20.
we have studied one property, that whenever you are having two co-prime numbers, the LCM is their product. Okay, so 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers now, so the LCM will be definitely their product. So 20 will be the LCM. So this 20 indicates that you need to create 20 in the denominator. So by what number we should multiply in the first fraction? Means this one, by what number we should multiply to make 20 in the
70.
denominator?
5.
5.
We need to multiply by 5. And here, and here
4.
4.
4. Very good.
4.
Brilliant
4,
work, beta.
sir.
Brilliant. So it is 13 5s are 65 divided by 4 5s are 20. Very good. And here it will be 4
Sir,
2s are
8 by
8.
20.
Very good. And when you will take out 8 from 65, what you will get? I think you will get 57, 50,
Yes, sir.
53, 58,
57 by
50,
20.
57 by 20. Very good. And this is an improper fraction. So we will convert it back to a mixed fraction.
23 is 60 and 7 is left. So
20,
20
20
to
to the
the
40,
40.
20 to the 40.
7 is left.
Very good.
217 by 20.
20. Beta, those who are saying answers now, just write it in the chat box. Okay, instead of saying, just write it in the chat box, so I will read it from there. Okay.
Okay,
Because
sir.
I get so many voices simultaneously na, that's why. Okay, is this a question clear to you, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
great. Chalo, great. Now, as you can see, we have done this question. 2 right 70